Passive income is the dream for many, the ability to earn money while you sleep. Imagine waking up to notifications of sales made overnight, all thanks to systems you've put in place. With the right strategies, you can cultivate a steady stream of income without investing a single dollar upfront. Let's dive into some powerful passive income ideas that anyone can start today, no matter their background or expertise. First on the list is print on demand, POD. This method revolutionizes how creatives can earn money effortlessly. By creating unique designs, think quotes, illustrations, or playful memes, and uploading them to platforms like Redbubble or Printful, you set the stage for a continual income flow. With every sale, these platforms handle production and shipping, meaning you can sit back and watch your bank balance grow. A popular example includes designing a simple shirt with a catchy phrase that resonates with a niche audience, turning those designs into lucrative royalties over time. Next up is affiliate marketing, a strategy that allows you to earn commissions by promoting others' products. All you need is a platform to share your unique affiliate links. Whether it's through writing engaging blog articles on Medium or creating engaging content on social media, the opportunities are endless. Imagine promoting a fitness ebook and earning $20 for every sale generated through your efforts. The more you tap into your audience's trust, the more likely they are to purchase through your links, ultimately leading to consistent revenue, even while you dream of your next adventure. One more exciting income stream is the power of YouTube automation. Picture owning a thriving YouTube channel without the need to appear on camera. You can hire freelancers for script writing and voiceovers, or utilize free AI tools to create stunning content effortlessly. Channels focused on top 10 facts or luxury lifestyles can attract huge audiences. Once videos are live, they can generate cash in several ways, from ad revenue to sponsorship deals, allowing you to reap the benefits passively, all while exploring the depth of topics you love.